Let's make a lollipop bouquet today. Go ahead, get your scissors and cut out a piece of the orange tissue wrapping. Then, find your bag of lollipops and the orange and green pipe cleaners that come with it. Next, you want to cut down your orange tissue paper into a square, just big enough to wrap all 3 lollipops. When you wrap it, place the lollipops in the middle and bring the corners together. Use the green pipe cleaner to wrap around the lollipop sticks. Oh my goodness! Doesn't it look like a pumpkin? Finally, use the orange pipe cleaner to wrap a bow around your lollipop bouquet, like so. There you have it. Give your friends pumpkin to talk about.